are the people that they say the youth are the future of tomorrow. No, we are not the future of tomorrow anymore. There's no future for the youth in that country. So now, it will be minister for able to just scam. Or to scam country for right. And our Yahoo, Yahoo don't 20,000, 30,000. And EFCC will go after them and be arresting them. And these people, they are seeing that country living. They push all our youth into the crime. They force them to become a criminals. The federal government of Nigeria push our youth to become a criminals. And meanwhile, I want to get criminal. If you want to let, they are not after them. I'm not supporting those people that are doing the Yahoo. I'm not in support of them. But I want to tell when they do the Yahoo, they scam the whole nation. But I want to scam individual, they have $20,000, $10,000. EFCC is after them. The report of the former EFCC up to now, I think, all of them, they are horse scammers. Now, let's come to the issue of the pensions. Our pensioner. Now, the work you are doing, salary, want to be your pension, how much your gratitude, and after you leave the job, go to see pay, okay, pension in the lay. I want that on Babai, what my fee get. Wow, what my marriage, what my fee get, Babai, Lottie or the let my pay one, to jet or and federal government sitting on that and hitting it, and the government go in and nothing will happen. So pension is also a scam in that country as well. So every damn thing, ni luyen, osigo kanton shise, osigo kan ninu e ta le so. E wo December tó kọjá yìí, tí wọ́n ní president kó rise fún àwọn senators at House of Reps. The rise they gave to the senators worth about 200 million. They arrived about 100 million. How many people do rise? Most especially, our so-called the governors in the Southwest. So-called the governors in Southwest. All the governors in Southwest, they are all the same thing. Wow, fake guy, you know, Kenny. I want to be I want to be new Lara, want to be new Diddy, want to be new Yoruba, want to be new Lara. Near one not to sorry. It's not like that. Oh, palliative here. Won't be on yellow, don't want to put over for one today. I Lori TV. Men you know one governor, you let Southwest, okay, with the family. Now we go right to try on people and say, where's the money? Where is the rice and where is the money? And so-called our leaders in Southwest, they were there sitting down, keep quiet, doing nothing, because they are the one behind all these tragedies. So enough is enough. Even though our Bawa, so-called our kings, our Lord Society don't want to sort more. Don't want to get to and only so dodo. All the others in the Southwest, our control sort of one, solar belly. But our first class of America no sọ̀rọ̀ ló lè jáde ta tó lè sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n mọ̀? Wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀. Torí pé a lot of them wọ́n ifá kan ló yàn wọ́n. Dọ́là ló gbé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn síbẹ̀. They were there. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn bá wọn yẹn, àwọn máa ń sọ pé ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ sáwọn ọba. Wàláì, wọ́n á lé ọba mi palace ẹsẹ̀ oníbalẹ̀. Àgbàgbé adé ẹ̀, ọba mi máa gbàgbé adé ẹ̀ palace nígbà tó bá dé fún wọn tán. Wọ́n á sì ń bọ̀ ní àti ìdè tán. Tó bá dé tán fún gbogbo wọn, wọ́n máa sá kàbàkàbà àwọn ọba wọn yẹn. And also, I will also touch about the Christian leaders. I'm saying these are the points. See, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tagbèrè láti fi dìde. Enough is all this. Even though the so-called Christian leaders, they are the more problem of that land. I'm a prophet, 29 years in service now. Yes, I was ordained as a prophet and evangelist. October 1st, 1996. Yes. So I know what I'm talking when I'm talking about the Christians or religion. Generally. Yes, last time, our Muslims, they need to hear this. Our Muslims, so-called our Imam, so-called all of them. She religion in Saudi Arabia, religion, she practice in Nigeria. Why? Bíbélì sọ wípé ọ̀pọ̀ kú nítorí pé wọn kò ní ìmọ̀. Ohun tó bá pẹ́ nìkẹ́ni fún ọgbọ́n ní kó béèrè. Gbogbo mọ́ṣáláṣí tó wà ní all the mosques tó wà ní Qatar. I come to Qatar recent. I went to Qatar, I went to Dubai. and Kuwait. Of recent, tí ó ti pé 2 months, gbogbo mosque tó wà ní gbogbo Qatar, kò tó mosque tó wà ní Bódìjà ní Ìbàdàn nìkan lásán. And for the time tí mo lò ní Qatar, I lived there for good 5 years before. For the time tí mo lò ní Qatar, mi ò rí bí kankan tó ti wé kíní ẹrù tó máa gbé sórí tó dàbí tàwọn kíní tó máa gbé sórí tó bá satellite dish tí wọ́n àwọn àfáà ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó máa gbé sórí. I've not seen where they do that over there. Níbi tó ti mú ẹ̀sìn gangan wá, tó ti mú ẹ̀sìn ara Muslim wá. Àfáà wa ní kẹ́ jẹun, àfáà wa ní kẹ́ dìde kẹ́ jókòó, àwọn ajánásù, kò sí gbogbo kan wọ̀nyí níbẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo kíní wọ̀nyí, ẹ sọ di nǹkan míì nílẹ̀ káàrọ̀ òjíire. So, bákan náà ni àwọn Kìrìsìtẹ́nì, gbogbo all this, àwọn pastors ti brainwash a lot of people yìí nílẹ̀ káàrọ̀ òjíire. Enough is of this. They have been brainwashed. They have been brainwashed. Now, this is January now. One man need 4 seed. You are bringing the 4 seed to the church. The 4 seed, how was it explained in the Bible? How is 4 seed explained in the Bible? Ìwọ tó bá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ tó bá máa kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. You take your 4 seed, you take it to your parents. If you see our parents, you take it to your parents. Your parents will take out of the money, we bless it for you. That is the 4 seed. Kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ tó ti ṣe láti bí past 3 years. O tún ṣe lọ́dún, o tún kó 4 seed yẹn, o kò lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Who does that? That is the mentality of our Christians tó wà ní Nigeria. Wọ́n ti brainwash ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn. This is the country where I've seen a pastor will be telling you, pé this is a sticker. Sticker lélẹ́yìí o. Ẹ máa ra sticker 20,000 naira, 100,000 naira. Ẹ lẹ̀ mọ́ mọ́tò yín, àbò ní fún yín. Kò sí ikú tó máa pa yín, kò sí wàhálà tó máa dé bá yín. And but the pastor that sending it for you, wọ́n kó wọn fún àti ọlọ́pàá, wọ́n fi ṣe bodyguard wọn káàkiri. Look at Apostle Sulaiman last time. Nígbà tó wọ́n attack ẹ̀. Àwọn gbogbo àwọn bodyguard pátá ni wọ́n waste life gbogbo àwọn people yẹn náà. Òun wà nínú bulletproof car. Tí ìbọn ràn, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń tẹ síkà fún àwọn members. You can see how much they have brainwashed our people. Now, that is why we said a lot of things that we lack in that country, tó fún wa ní wàhálà, tó kó wa débi tá a wà lẹ́nìí, ó ní èdè wa àti religion. We got to this stage in that country today because of our religion and our language. They brainwash us by the language, they brainwash us by the religion. Àwọn Kìrìsìtẹ́nì, wọ́n máa sọ pé ẹ lọ bomi, ẹ gbàdúrà sí ìyanu máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Fine, ìyanu máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n you need to go to hospital. Àwọn tó sọ pé ìwòsàn láìlóògùn yìí, they are going to the hospital to receive treatment. Let them sick over there, they are coming to abroad to receive treatment. Kumuyi, Baba Kumuyi last time. Yes, there was a time, tí Baba Kumuyi sọ pé ẹni tó wá ti lo television, pé àpótí èṣù ní television. You must not use a television, you must not take a treatment. But during that time, àpótí èṣù nígbà yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n television yẹn sìn, that TV that they go against that time was the TV that don't be transmitting in the church, also don't be a program. So it's not my quotation more. You people wake up. You need to wake up. You need to get up from the slumber. But these the same people, they are traveling to abroad to receive treatment. And a lot of people died that time. So-called ministry, religion in that country, now it is time for youth. Láti dìde, láti jẹ́ ká mọ nǹkan tí à ń ṣe, láti jẹ́ ká mọ ibi tí à ń lọ, láti jẹ́ ká mọ ètò tó kàn fún wa láti ṣe. We are not tolerate all this anymore. Enough of all this rubbish and nonsense in that land. And we are not giving any chance or any care to anybody on that land today who says, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ò ní rí ṣe mọ́. No, it is time for us. We are ready to take our land back again. We are ready to inherit our portion back. We are ready for every one of them. It is time for youth to get up. The life of the youth that have wasted is enough for that. We are ready to come back for them, to get our rights back on that land. So let's take on my way or go lónìí ògo ọjọ́ ìní òun náà ló ti ní ọ̀la. Ẹni tó ti waste life àwọn ọ̀dọ́ is ní Europe láti lọ sí school ní àwọn advanced country. Kì í gbogbo nǹkan ló máa lọ sí university. Àwọn technical school wà, àwọn apprentice school wà, so different schools ló wà. So a ní ìpinnu ní àkókò wa wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa kí ni àwọn nǹkan tí a lè ṣe fún wọn. Àwọn tí ò bá lè ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lọ sí ilé ìwé, kí ni nǹkan tí a lè ṣe fún wọn. We are working on that. àwọn tó ti jáde ilé ìwé tí wọn ò ní iṣẹ́ a ní plan fún wọn wípé báwo ni wọ́n ṣe lè get iṣẹ́ ní orílẹ̀-èdè títí wa. We are talking about our own nation, which is a Yoruba nation. Ẹ̀mí pé tá a bá gba Yoruba nation lénìí, these are the more reason why tí a fi ní ìdí orílẹ̀-èdè títí wa. Torí pé ní ìjọba Nàìjíríà kò sí ọ̀dọ́ kankan tó lè ríṣẹ́ ṣe ń bẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàgbé ẹ̀. Kò sí ilé ìwé kankan tó lè jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ fún ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tó lè fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ní country yẹn. Ní country tí wọ́n ti fi 160 million tó fi ra mọ́tò fún senator kan ṣoṣo, tí wọ́n appoint about almost something billion tó fi sọ pé wọ́n fi ń fìdí àwọn ọmọ ilé ìwé. Owó tẹ́ fi ń fìdí oúnjẹ fún àwọn ọmọ ilé ìwé, ẹ ṣe lówó yẹn kẹ́ fi kọ́ ilé ìwé standard schools. Now, on our own, tá bá gba orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá wa, tá bá gba orílẹ̀-èdè títí wa, a ní ètò fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa. Ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ máa wà. Àwọn tó bá sì jáde ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tán, yes, iṣẹ́ máa wà fún olúkúlùkù láti lè ṣe iṣẹ́. Àwọn tó bá sì fẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ ọwọ́, àyè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ó máa wà fún olúkúlùkù. But before that time, right now on our table now, à ń ṣe ètò lọ́wọ́ bá ṣe lè train àwọn ọ̀dọ́, àwọn tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ drone, wọ́n ṣe lè fly drone. Àwọn ITT, àwọn tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ àwọn cyber technology, àwọn tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ ànilọ́wọ́ àti ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn ètò wọ̀nyí. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn ètò ni a ti nílẹ̀ láti kọ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa in terms of education and area. Ní ti àwọn tó bá fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn, that is agriculture. Àwọn tó bá fẹ́ ṣe a ní ètò fún wọn láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́, láti jẹ́ kí wọ́n ní ibi tí wọ́n lè fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ oko, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ lè àti bí wọ́n ṣe máa finance ẹ̀. A ní gbogbo ètò wọ̀nyí, a ní ilẹ̀. Àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ hairdressing, fashion designer, any other things tí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe, we have plan on the table for them right now. Láti build wọn up, and láti get them to the stage where they can stand on their feet, láti lè take care ìdílé wọn. Now, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ bákan náà, à ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ láti lè jẹ́ kí gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ pápátá láti lè mọ ohun tó jẹ́ ẹ̀tọ́ tuntun wọn, for them to know their self-rights. Because èèyàn kàwé ńgbà míì, kò mí pé èèyàn máa ní ọpọlọ. Èèyàn lè kàwé ńgbà míì kó má ní ọpọlọ. We want to bring them back to their normal senses. Because I remember pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ gan sef gan, they didn't get it right. Ẹ máa rí ẹlòmíì PhD holder tó ń ṣọ̀kadà, tó jẹ́ ọlọ́kadà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, owó ọkàn tiẹ̀ pọ̀, ó pọ̀ dáadáa.
And the funny part of it ni wípé ọ̀kadà yẹn kì í tún ṣe àwọn tó tún wá ní o. Wọ́n tún gba ọ̀kadà yẹn gùn ní o, kì í tún ṣe àwọn tó tún lówó rà o. That is the country, and that is the plan we are making for our people now, for our youth to know their rights. We are planning for the youth to stand on their feet on our land, which is a Yoruba nation. Right now, then àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa tó jẹ́ olórin, a fẹ́ embrace wọn. We want to embrace all the musicians on our land. Àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn ló ní ẹ̀bùn orin tí wọ́n lè kọrin, tẹ́ bá gbọ́, ara yín máa dìde, orí yín máa wú. They are talented. But ṣé pé ẹ̀bùn tán ní ó kàn waste ni. We want to detect all the talented people in their midst, and we want to sponsor and help them to bring them to the normal life. Because all the youth in Nigeria today, they are living in darkness. So we are working on how to bring them to the light life, to give them to breathe again, because they are no more breathing. We want to bring them, we want to let them know how to breathe again. Want to suffocate one, they are no more existing on their own. They cannot make their decision. They don't have their own, they don't have their self-rights. They don't have anything. They lost all their pride, all their privilege, and everything is unto law already. So we want to bring them back. And I want to ní yálà orin ni, tàbí àwọn olóṣèré, tàbí any other things. To ní ẹ̀bùn. Okay, ẹ wo àwọn kankan, ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ kankan tó pé wọ́n lè ṣe plane. They put iron together. tó ń dẹ̀ ṣe plane jáde, tó ń ṣe aircraft. Irú àwọn ọmọ báyìí, a fẹ́ discover wọn. We youth want to work on them to see how we can embrace them. Àwọn míì wà tó ń ṣe solar, tí wọ́n detect electricity from the stone tó ń lo òkúta tó fi ń detect iná. Where are they? We want to look for them. We want to get them. Àwọn anybody, irú ẹ̀bùn, ẹwà àwọn ọmọ tó ṣe mọ́tò, tó ṣe car lọ́jọ́ sí mọ́tò ẹ̀dẹ̀ rìn, ẹwà àwọn tó ṣe kẹ̀kẹ́, tó ṣe machine, tó dẹ̀ rìn, ẹwà tó ṣe generators. We have the youth that are doing all these things in the Yoruba land. Most of them are from Yoruba land. Ọlọ́run fún Yoruba people, Ọlọ́run fún wa ní ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye when endowed in terms of the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Like, take for example, in other nations today, all over the country today, get there, you will see that Yoruba people, they are most productive people over there. The best medical doctor in this United States of America is Omo Yoruba. Ó ṣe brain surgery for 2 months, oyún 2 months, ó gbé jáde, ó ṣe brain surgery fún, ó tún dá padà. Òyìnbó gan ò lè ṣe. And this man is from Yoruba land. So we have a lot of talented people. So láàárín àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa, a fẹ́ look for them. We want to bring them back to life because they're already dead. But we want to see how we can use our power, how we can use our initiative, how we can use our strength to bring them back to life. So we are really working on the youth right now. It's more reason why the Yoruba Nation youth is calling for everybody to come out. All the youth to come out. By next month now, I'm going to launch a website. We want all of them to go to